Hey guys, I'm Dev back with another Affinity photo tutorial. Today I will show you how to create any image to Vexel art effect in Affinity Photo. Vexel art is a technique of making pixel-based raster image art that visual appearance of the vector graphics look, but it's not actual vector graphics but strongly look like vector graphic art. First, select your image. Now this is an optional, I will tell you later. Here I am selecting rows and keeping it as a single image. Anyway, rows image goes to down for now. Let's select the main image and remove the background by using selection brush tool. I'm not going to more details on remove background because I already made few different ways video on how to remove background. So if you need to know, you can check those videos on this channel playlist, or I will put those links on video description. Now merge visible as make it in one layer. And trash rest. Now only girl image and background removed. Ctrl J, make a copy of it. Go to top menu, filters, detect edges. Change blend mode to subtract. Now go to adjustment, posterize. Here I am using posterize level 4 or 5. Change blend mode to luminosity. Now select all three layers and put it on a group folder by Ctrl G. Take a snapshot. Ctrl Shift Alt E snapshot, or you can use right click and merge visible as make it in one layer. Now this is an optional. Here my images have some harsh edges around girl hair. So I am using erase brush tool and removing those parts. Okay, now looking good. Select girl image. Go to top left, tone mapping persona. Feel free and check those presets, which one is looking good for your image. Here I am using default preset, cool effect, and apply. Go to top menu, filters, noise, denoise. Here make all slider 100% and hit apply. Go to right side below, live filters. Select diffuse glow. This will give image some glow and also make some softness on the image. Select only diffuse glow effect and change blend mode to soft light. Image already slowly transforming to the vector type looks, right? Now add a new blank layer just below the girl image and fill it with white color as background. This is an optional as I need to increase the background. Select girl image and go to adjustment, HSL. Hold and drag saturation slider to left. Decrease the saturation. Now select a rectangle tool and make a white layer background above the image. Go to right top color panel and fill with any color. Change blend mode to overlay. Click on the color fill layer and here you can change to any other color you like. Here I am using deep blue color. Go to white background layer and activate it. Select rectangle tool. While my foreground color is deep blue, so just create a new background like this. First white background layer now became the white image border, and second blue background become the theme color of the image background. Now just a little bit adjustment. Now trick part is click above color fill layer, and here you can change colors. While changing color, main image have overlay effect. So anytime using any other color, image and background always have a little bit different view. Now few additional to make artwork more good. Here I am using halftone image. You can find it on Google search. Few additional adjustment using levels. Now almost done. And now here I am bringing single rose image, which I already cut from the image at the beginning, and place this on the top layer. Few additional. Here I am using grunge background. You can find it on Google search. Change blend mode to screen. Now select all layers and make a group folder by Ctrl G. Take a snapshot or right click, use merge visible and make it in one layer. Vector based image need sharpness. So go to top menu bar, filters, sharpen, unsharp mask. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Affinity Photo, then subscribe this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorials. You can support me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will back with another video soon. Till then, keep practicing, cause practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.